welcome back guys. The Samsung Galaxy A04s we have been hearing about for a few months should launch soon, since the smartphone's support page has gone live on Samsung's official UK website. Support page doesn't reveal any specs of the Galaxy A04s, however its model code A04s DSN suggests that the Galaxy A04s will have dual SIM support in the UK. There's no word from Samsung about the Galaxy A04s launch date and specs yet, but thanks to Geekbench, we know the version with model designation SM-A04s will come with the Exynos 850 chipset, Android 12 and 3GB RAM. Although there could be more RAM options that are yet to be confirmed. That's it for now. See you in the next one.